build a SaaS application. This called GrowPath AI. Grow smarter, sell faster, and scale better. Transfer your business relationship the into the lasting success with the intelligent CRM that's work with you. What is the GrowPath AI CRM? The GrowPath AI CRM is a complete business management system that's help small and growing business track the potential customer, prospectus, manage the existing client, close more deals, organize your sales team, and grow your faster. Are you losing the track of the potential customer and struggling to manage your sales pipeline? Tired of using the multiple tools that does not talk to each other? Meet the GrowPath AI CRM, that is smart business solution that helps you grow the faster and work smarter. Most the business focus those challenges every day. Lost the opportunities and deorganized data and team confusion and no clear picture and waste time. Let's walk through the GrowPath AI front-end part. This is the GrowPath AI landing page. Here is the feature section and active user, and here is this is the landing page. Here is the feature page, and this is the price page layout. This is the about, and this is the contact us pages. Now let's see the GrowPath AI dashboard. Let's click the sign in, and also if you do not have account, this is the registration page. Now I have already account. Now let's log in the admin. This is the GrowPath AI dashboard. We can register the unlimited the GrowPath AI also multi-tenancy supported, and we can switch the which company we can manage. We can easily switch the company from here. Just click here, and this is the GrowPath AI dashboard, and this is the prospect menu. We can add the prospectus here, and there is the client menu. We can add the client here, and follow up. We can this is the follow page. We can add the follow up data here, and pipeline. We can add the create proposal here, and report. We can see the report here. How is report analysis pages, and this is the my subscription, and see the plan here, and this is the order pages, order management pages, and this is the contact page, contact message data, and this is the blog menu, and the company. We can easily manage add new company, and manage the company here, and team. We can manage the sales team from here, and this is the setting. That's it. Thanks for watching.